The compound camera lens, also known as the anastigmatic lens, was invented by several people in the late 19th century and improved upon over time. This type of lens allowed for sharper and clearer images to be captured, with less distortion at the edges of the image. It revolutionized the field of photography, making it possible to capture more accurate and detailed images for scientific, artistic, and practical purposes. Before the compound lens, most camera lenses were simple, with a single lens element. These lenses suffered from spherical and chromatic aberrations, which caused blurring, distortion, and color fringing in the resulting images. The compound lens used multiple lens elements, each with a different shape and refractive index, to correct for these aberrations and produce sharper, clearer images. Since its invention, the compound lens has been further improved upon with new materials and designs, resulting in even better optical performance. Modern high-end camera lenses use sophisticated compound designs with multiple elements, often coated with special materials to reduce reflections and improve contrast. One area where the compound lens could be improved is in its size and weight. High-quality lenses can be quite large and heavy, making them cumbersome to carry and use, particularly for handheld photography. Advances in material science and lens design may allow for lighter, more compact lenses with similar or better optical performance. Additionally, there is always room for improvement in terms of cost and accessibility. While high-quality compound lenses are available to professional photographers and enthusiasts, they can be prohibitively expensive for many people. Efforts to reduce the cost of manufacturing and improve the accessibility of these lenses could help to make high-quality photography more widely available.